Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted a video in a few weeks now, and I wanted to do a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look for you guys. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. And do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this. And if you want to leave some comments below on what other videos you would like me to do or any other looks you would like, just leave that in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is start out by priming my eyes, and I'm going to use the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. And I actually received this in my Ipsy bag, and I have been using it for quite a while, and I really enjoy it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I am using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. If you guys would like an in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, go ahead and leave some comments below and I can get one up for you guys. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and these colors don't have names, but I'm going to take this light pink shimmery shade and put that in my transition zone. And I don't really use shimmery shades in there, but since it's a Valentine's Day look, I'm going to go ahead and go for it. I'm going to use the color right above that, and it's a little bit darker, so I'm going to take that right over it. And then I'm going to take the one with a little orange tone into it, and I'm going to put that right on the outer corner. Next, we're going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm using the Scone blending brush. Next, I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to take the color Saffron, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer and inner corners. Next, we're going to take that same blending brush and we are going to blend that all in. Next, we're going to start our semi-cut crease, and we're going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're going to use a flat brush to apply that. And you want to be very patient when you're doing this. Do very light strokes to get the amount of coverage that you would like. And you don't have to use necessarily the Tarte Shape Tape. You can use any sort of concealer that you would like. Next, we're going to go in with Saffron again, and we're just going to touch up those outer and inner corners and just kind of get everything blended above it. Now we're going to go into the Smolder Cosmetics Loose Glam Dust in Pink Gold, and we are going to put that right over where we put that concealer. Now we're going to take Pixie Dust, and we're going to go right over that. And now we're going to go ahead and blend everything in together. Now we're going to take saffron and we're just going to put that under our lower lid, and then we're going to smudge that out. We want this to be pretty dramatic for a night out. And I've already applied my upper lid eyeliner. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my waterline, my upper and my lower, and I'm using the Smashbox Black Eyeliner. Now I'm taking the Tarte Man Eater mascara, and I'm going to do my upper lashes and my lower lashes, and then I'm going to put on some false lashes. Now to get started on my face, I am going to use the Anastasia Stick Foundation, and I'm just going to put that all over just to cover up any of my redness that I have. Here I'm using the Sonia Kashuk foundation brush, and I'm going to blend that in. And my camera stopped recording on me and cut out me putting on the concealer. I am using the L'Oreal Lumi Concealer, and I'm taking this Morphe Beauty Blender, and I am blending all of that in. Now I'm going to use the Naked Cosmetics Translucent Powder, and I'm going to take my Morphe Beauty Blender, and it is damp, and I'm going to bake with that. I'm just going to dip that into that translucent powder and put that on under my eyes, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut out my contour. Now I did let this sit for a few minutes, and now we're going to go ahead and brush it away, and then we're going to start on our bronzing. I am using the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and I'm going to just cut out my contour with that. And I'm going to take it up onto my forehead, on the side of my temples, and then underneath my chin as well. Now I'm taking the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and I'm going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to take a big powder brush. It has nothing on it, but I'm going to blend that out so that everything mixes well. Now I'm taking the Becca Jaclyn Hill Highlighter in Champagne Pop, and I'm going to put that on my cheekbones and my nose, and then right on my cupid's bow, my lip. Now I'm going to do my lips. I am going to take the Deck of Scarlet Lip Liner in Belle, and I'm going to fill in my lips. And then I am taking the Lorac Beauty and the Beast lipstick and lip gloss combo, and this one is in Savoir Faire, and I'm going to put that on my lips. And that's it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell if you would like to be notified of more videos from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.